Hello friends, family, and beauty pageant contestants. My name is Alea and today I'm very excited. I've been working on this project and this collab for since I want to say like November of 2022. It has been a long time coming. I'm just really excited to actually show people now that it's done. It's not all the way done, but the first half of it is done. So I did a collaboration with February Fiber Co, and she is a small business that hand dyes yarn. I found her on TikTok a little bit into 2022, and I just fell in love with her color and her color palette and just everything and her story. So I have been very much a loyal supporter of hers. And so I am very excited to be sharing with you my first collab with her. Very excited. So this collab is kind of like in two parts. We both collabed on the color palette, and then later on I'm going to be writing my first pattern of 2023 with the yarn that she has dyed for me. I'm going to be making like a mini shawl, at least that's the vibes that I'm going for, and I'm just super excited. And I'll be doing like a crochet along and all the other stuff. So then y'all see the creative process that I go through as I'm writing up that pattern. So before I show you the yarn and you see the first impressions of it, let's do some housekeeping. So first off, if you are watching this video right now and you like what you're seeing and you like my personality and all that other good stuff, if you could please subscribe, that would be wonderful. I post 2 videos a week and I go live on the weekends. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know whenever I go live and when I post. If you like this video and you like yarn and crochet content, make sure you like this video. That also helps out my channel a lot. And if you have any comments, questions, comments, or compliments, put them down in the comment section below. All right, guys. So now that we got all of that out the way, let's get into the squishy mount. I opened it and I didn't look at it because I wanted to do my first impressions of the colors that I'm seeing. Oh, she always wraps everything so nicely. This is a little package. And we have my invoice and some stitch markers. And we have, I'm not really sure what this is. Jess, you're gonna have to let me know what that is. But we have a Jesus sticker. How cute. And then a little rainbow. Oh. Alright, let's... Okay. Are you ready? Ooh. Oh my god. So it is a mini skein set. Oh, I just realized there's 2 of each. Okay, so there's 2 of each. All right, and so she says, "Hi there, my name is Anniversary Shawl Set, and it's 100% superwash merino. The weight is DK, and each mini skein is 49 yards." And so it's 294 yards total. Wow, this is so special, y'all. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. I have one more yarn that I want to show you, and it's this one. Okay, so she's showing you a picture of her putting together other different yarns to go with this set, and I'm just so obsessed. Oh my gosh. So this, it would help if I took it out the packaging, right? Okay. And she has it nice and wrapped up in this nice little set. Oh my goodness. I am obsessed. I'm just so excited to get started, y'all. Okay. Having all my mini skeins like this just makes me so freaking happy, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay. The pink color is called Sweetheart, The blue is called Darling, and the speckle is XOXO. I'm gonna give you a little bit of close up, and she absolutely killed it with these colors, man. I will admit, because I gave her like pictures of what I was thinking, and she absolutely nailed it on the head. So this is what the pink looks like. It is a tonal. This is Sweetheart. So gorgeous. And then this is a Darling. Look how pretty. And then this is my favorite. This is XOXO. And this is just so, ooh. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. Just look at these speckles. I've had speckle yarns that I bought from like other Etsy sellers, and not to like, oh my god, look at that spot right there. Not to try to bash other Etsy sellers in other small businesses, but like I've had speckles where there wasn't a speckle. It was just like a white yarn with little dots. So she nailed the speckle. Now let me show you the combinations that she showed me, and that I'm definitely going to be putting in a shawl. And like I said, the pattern's coming soon. So she put First Light, right? First Light. And she put Darling, which already, and then she put XOXO, and then she put Sweetheart, and then she put Sweater Weather. All three of these together like that, oh my gosh, y'all. I'm just so in love. And the thing is like these colors, so like these colors right here are my wedding colors, and then these colors right here are my sister's wedding colors. This blue and the pink, right, is my sister's wedding colors, and then all four of these colors were Jessica's wedding colors, right? And I'm just like, okay, I gotta come up with the shawl name. And I have one in the back of my head, but I want to know if somebody else out there has a name for this project shawl. Now, like I said, I'm probably going to do a live where I talk more in depth of my planning when it comes to the design of this little shawl, because it's going to probably be a mini shawl. However, I really and truly would love to hear down below in the comments, what names should I name this shawl? And then if I like it, I will probably pick it. But yeah, I do believe that this is going to be out, like the set is going to be out later this month in January, in time for Valentine's Day. Isn't that so sweet? I'm super excited, and we're gonna get started on designing right now. I'm so glad I got these today, because now I have the whole weekend to get started on these. Like, look at all of this. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Anyway, y'all, that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like and comment down below, what should I name this project with all these lovely, beautiful colors. Also, don't forget to check out February Fiber Co. I will leave their link down below in the, what's it called? Description. Make sure you follow them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and wherever else you see them. And that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.